Dementia is memory loss, and it's one of the major causes for neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, but those are related to geriatric problems, that is related to age. However, there has been a new term which is digital dementia and becomes a very important part of applied psychology case studies for UPSC optional. Specifically, we are talking about. So here, what is digital dementia? So digital dementia is basically the loss of cognitive abilities because of increased screen time. Now note, this study is really interesting because it cites that if the watch time for television or for computers or other devices is higher, which could have gone to physical activities, in that case it would lead to digital dementia. However, for passive cognitive activity, if you are using computers, let's say you are doing some work on computer, then it is linked to decreased risk of dementia. So get this point very clear. You are just watching the computers or televisions just for the sake of watching, or you are doing some creative endeavors on it. If you are doing some creative productive endeavors, then it is reducing the risk of dementia. On the other hand, if you are just doing that for leisure purpose, it is increasing the risk of dementia. Now, digital dementia leads to cognitive issues, the problem in understanding, problem in multitasking, which is again important. It also develops higher chances for vascular dementia, Alzheimer's, and dementia of all other sorts. Now, higher amount of screen time is connected to anatomical alterations in the brain. Now, these anatomical alterations once done, the symptoms are very close to the real dementia of the digital dementia. So, the symptoms of digital dementia appear very close to the symptoms of real dementia, with short-term memory loss, unable to remember the important words, difficulty in doing multitasking, problems in having cognitive understanding, and even the blue light of the screen disrupts the sleep cycle, which impacts memory consolidation and other cognitive functions. So very important topic of the recent research is done in psychology. And of course, if you want to go through the complete psychology portal, that's available on the link below. Wish you very good luck, and in case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back to us. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day ahead.